Here are the 5 don'ts of real estate. Number 1, make sure that you respond promptly to your clients' requests, emails, text messages, and phone calls. Make sure that you are getting them back with information and not going over 24 hours before you return their call. What we like to do is usually under an hour to 2 hours when they are asking us for something. Number 2, when you're taking a listing, always get professional photos done. That means a lot. Photos mean everything when you are taking a listing on, and it attracts more buyers and more people to view the home. Don't be too salesy. Don't only focus on getting a sale and put your client's needs ahead of you. It will go a long way, and then it will multiply by 10 times down the road once you have a good rapport with your client and they know that they can trust you. Don't be an order taker. Make sure that you rely the information or show your clients the information that you have to make sure that you can help them make up their decision in the buying or selling process. Number 5, and this is my favorite one, do not compare yourself with others or other people in your industry. You don't know how long it took them to get to where they're at. Only compete with your past self.